Top 20 Places to Explore in Iran. Your ultimate luxury travel guide. Some places in the world captivate you, while others wholly transform your spirit. Iran is one of those magical places. This land is etched by empires, woven with poetry, and marked by the passage of time. Imagine ancient ruins emerging from endless deserts, sparkling turquoise domes dazzling under the sun, and where hospitality flows from the heart. Contrary to modern myths, Iran stands as one of Earth's most culturally abundant treasures, luring millions yearly to its rich history, stunning landscapes, and timeless allure. In this Krosstrail documentary, we embark on a journey through the top 20 destinations in Iran, discovering them through a lens of luxury, culture, and unforgettable adventures. From majestic palaces to secluded deserts, bustling cities to pristine coastlines, welcome to Iran. 1 to 5. Iconic luxury cultural cities. Segment 1. Tehran, the modern haven, city skyline framed by mountains. Beneath the surface, Tehran surprises many travelers. It pulsates with energy. It's vibrant. It's alive. Iran's capital marries modern opulence with a rich historical tapestry, home to museums, galleries, and regal palaces. At the city's core stands Golestan Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, adorned with mirrored halls, marble thrones, and lush gardens. This marks the beginning for luxury travelers, pampered at five-star hotels, enjoying rooftop dining, and indulging in private city tours. By night, Tehran sparkles, a luminous city set against the majestic Alborz Mountains. Segment 2. Isfahan, the Pearl of Persia, golden light glinting off stunning mosques known as half the world. Isfahan is Iran's crowning achievement. In its heart lies Naksh-e-Jahan Square, an immense and breathtaking square, a true architectural masterpiece. Encircled by grand mosques, royal palaces, and historic bazaars, this city narrates history itself. Luxury here transcends material excess. It embraces deep immersion. Private guides reveal hidden gems. Boutique hotels highlight ancient architecture, and evenings drift along age-old bridges, reflecting in the tranquil river below. Segment 3. Shiraz, where poetry meets light, soft morning light filtering through vibrant stained glass. Shiraz embodies the spirit of Iran. It is a city brimming with poets, gardens, and deep emotion. In the Nasr al-Mulk Mosque, known as the Pink Mosque, sunlight dances through vibrant stained glass, creating a colorful tapestry on the floor. Nearby, Persian gardens exude serenity and elegance, true representations of paradise on earth. Shiraz encourages you to pause, to breathe deeply, to embrace every moment. Segment 4. Persepolis, Empire of Stone. Aerial views of ancient ruins. Not far from Shiraz lies the majestic Persepolis, once the ceremonial heart of the Persian Empire, now a remarkable archaeological site revered worldwide. Columns stand like ancient titans. Carvings narrate tales of kings and empires. Luxury here resides in knowledge. With expert guides, history blossoms, reviving ruins into a vibrant tale of an empire. Segment 5. Yazd, a sanctuary in the desert, wind towers rising silently. Yazd feels ageless. A desert city crafted from earth and wind, celebrated for its cooling wind catchers and winding streets. Here, luxury thrives in tranquility. Stay in lovingly restored courtyard homes, dine beneath a starlit sky, wander through ancient alleys untouched by time. This is where the desert whispers its secrets. 610. Boutique and Heritage Experiences. Segment 6. Kashan, secret elegance, charming traditional courtyard. Kashan hides elegance in plain view. Historic mansions, exquisite tilework, and serene gardens define this enchanting city. Luxury travelers revel in restored heritage homes. Each detail unfolds a new story. Segment 7. Kish Island, Paradise by the Sea. Cascading blue waters and sun-kissed beaches, Kish Island seems like another realm. A true tropical retreat in the Persian Gulf, famed for its beaches, lavish resorts, and premier shopping. It represents Iran's essence of island luxury, serene, exclusive, and beautifully surprising. Segment 8. Kieshim Island, untamed beauty, majestic rock formations. Kieshim is raw and unrefined. A UNESCO geopark showcasing mesmerizing landscapes, salt caves, imposing cliffs, and timeless valleys. Luxury here is solitude. Private tours unveil pristine nature, untouched by human influence, and the sound of silence. Segment 9. Rasht and Caspian region. Culinary luxury hub, lush green forests do a rain dance. Northern Iran delights in unexpected surprises. Emerald forests, refreshing breezes, and the Caspian Sea beckon travelers. Rasht is celebrated for its exceptional cuisine and breathtaking beauty. Luxury villas here offer serenity, seclusion, and a wholly different experience of Iran. Segment 10. Alamut Valley, a mountain getaway, a fortress carved into the mountains. In the heights lies Alamut, a realm of legends and stunning vistas. Remote lodges provide a distinct luxury, serenity, space, and a deep connection to the earth. 11 to 15. Nature and scenic luxury. Segment 11. Mount Damavand, a luxurious adventure. Snow-capped summit soaring majestically, Mount Damavand stands above the rest. A dormant volcano, the tallest peak in all the Middle East. Luxury adventures bring travelers closer to the raw beauty of nature. Segment 12. Maranjab Desert, luxurious desert safari. Golden dunes shimmering under the sun. Here in the desert, Iran reveals its magic. Maranjab hosts luxury camps, adventurous camel rides, and endless starry nights. Here, silence becomes an astonishing experience. Segment 13. Hormuz Island, a land of color. Strikingly colorful terrain, Hormuz is a dreamlike wonder. Crimson beaches and rainbow-hued mountains. This island is extraordinary. Stay in eco-friendly domes and meander through breathtaking, otherworldly landscapes. Segment 14. Chabahar, Iran's tropical hidden gem. Dramatic ocean cliffs meet the shore. Chabahar stands as Iran's tropical mystery. Stunning coastlines intertwine with desert terrains, creating something exceptional and beautiful. Segment 15. Caspian Seacoast, Mazandaran. Seaside villas and enchanting forest retreats, promising future luxury developments, including international hotels. 16 to 20. Cultural treasures and hidden gems. Segment 16. Tabriz, the elegance of the Silk Road, historic bazaar bustling with life. Tabriz bridges the past and the present. Its Grand Bazaar ranks among the largest globally, a monument to its Silk Road heritage. Segment 17. Ardabil, luxury of thermal spa. Steam rises from rejuvenating hot springs. Ardabil whispers relaxation. Its thermal springs, crisp mountain air, and spa-like moments turn it into a wellness haven. Segment 18. Hamadan, a royal ancient city, mysterious cave interiors welcoming discovery. Hamadan stands the test of time. One of the planet's oldest cities, legend rich in history and intriguing mystery. Segment 19. Kerman, entrance to Lut Desert, extreme desert landscapes captivatingly beautiful. The Lut Desert reveals nature's extremes, one of Earth's hottest locations, breathtaking in its harsh beauty. Segment 20. Golestan, National Park, luxury of wildlife, stunning wildlife scenes captured. A unique ecosystem thrives here. Diverse forests, thriving wildlife, and eco-luxury lodges create a safari-like retreat. Final segment. Why choose Iran? Montage showcasing majestic locations. Iran transcends mere destination status. It tells a story woven in stone, sand, poetry, and the hearts of its people, filled with UNESCO heritage treasures, awe-inspiring landscapes, and cultural depth that echoes through the ages. Luxury here extends beyond comfort. It embodies experience. It reflects authenticity. It invites discovery. And perhaps, that is why Iran remains etched in memory. It isn't solely about what you perceive, but rather what resonates within your soul. Krosstrail, discover beyond boundaries. Subscribe for more mesmerizing journeys.